Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Chevy Cruze Limited LT, stock number Z9642XX. Only 22,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. For additional safety, spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 22,000 miles, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. There's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, and a large glove box. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cruze, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.